In this video, we will explain how to program constant surface speed in a CNC turning machine. Here is the formula to calculate cutting speed. VC is equal to pi into D into N, divided by 1000. Where VC is cutting speed, D is diameter of the workpiece, and N is spindle RPM. Check the video link in the description to see the full derivation of the formula. Let's take an example of facing operation. Cutting speed is 200 meters, which we got from the insert catalog. The part diameter is 120 millimeters. Now, spindle speed is calculated by substituting the values. Spindle speed is 530 rpm, as shown in the calculation. Let's look at some CSS controls. G92 for spindle speed limitation, G96 for constant surface speed, and G97 for cancelling constant surface speed. The machine can be programmed to keep the surface speed constant through a G-code G96 for the CSS command. In this example, facing operation is done on 124 DR component, with CSS of 200 meters per minute. Here are the programming codes: G92 S1500, G96 S200. The spindle speed is 530 rpm while facing diameter at 120 millimeters. Once CSS is programmed, spindle speed automatically increases as diameter of the job decreases. Now spindle speed is 800 rpm at facing diameter 80 millimeters. And, at 40 mm facing diameter, spindle speed is 1500 rpm. Spindle speed will not increase further as G92 S1500 is programmed. Here is another example of multiple diameters turning shaft. 40 mm, 80 mm, 120 mm is being turned with constant surface speed of 200 meters per minute. Turning is started at 40 mm with the spindle speed of 1500 rpm. As the tool progresses, you may observe spindle speed is constant during turning operation. As the diameter increases for the next flange 80 mm, the spindle speed decreases to 800 rpm. CSS is used for all operations except threading and hole machining. And when the diameter is 120 mm, spindle speed decreases to 530 rpm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more related videos.